In this video, we'll see the outline view of Central Dogma of Molecular Biology, and in the upcoming videos, each step of Central Dogma will be discussed in detail. So as we know, DNA is the genetic material of all organisms except for few RNA viruses and contains the information to control activities of the cell. But at the time of cell division, the DNA is doubled so that each cell receives equal amount of DNA. This process of doubling of DNA is called DNA replication, which is the first step of Central Dogma. The DNA replication is the DNA-dependent synthesis of DNA, as a template DNA is used for the synthesis of new DNA strand. The information present in DNA is converted in the form of sequence of ribonucleotides to form RNA. RNA is the only molecule known to have a role in storage and transmission of information as well as in catalysis. This is called transcription, which is DNA-dependent synthesis of RNA, as DNA is also used as template for the synthesis of RNA. During transcription, an enzyme system converts genetic information of a segment of DNA into RNA. The RNA produced can be of three types depending on its role or its activity. The first being messenger RNA, the second ribosomal RNA, and third transfer RNA. Both replication and transcription are based on complementary base pairing, but transcription do not require primers for addition of new nucleotides. During replication, entire DNA is copied, but transcription is much more selective process, as a segment of DNA is used for transcription. And finally, the genetic information converted into RNA by transcription is now used for the formation of proteins. This process is called translation. The information for synthesis of proteins is present in messenger RNA, but for translation, all three types of RNA are involved. Another extension of Central Dogma is the RNA-dependent synthesis of DNA, which is called reverse transcription. This process is observed only in the machinery of few viruses, as it requires a special enzyme called reverse transcriptase. So this was the outline view of Central Dogma of Molecular Biology. In the next video, we'll see the detailed mechanism of DNA replication along with some animations.